Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Hello, everybody. How is going? Everything is fine?
Hello, hello, hello.
No, just playing around. Um, got some new equipment here, so I'm trying. And the idea is to make these podcasts even more entertainment than before. So let's see how it goes, right? So just a recap. Last episode on the Now You Know podcast, we talk about the taking calculated risk. So if you didn't listen to this one yet, just go back and listen to that one first and then come back here, okay? Because basically with this episode, what I want to do is give you a concrete example of a calculated risk. And you might think like, okay, what is this calculated risk, right? Well, very simple. Live streaming online. Yes, showing your face, go live, it used to be very unique thing to do, right? But nowadays it's kind of essential. All the social media outlets like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, they all have integrated live video functionality, right? And you have to use it. Not only you as a person, but if you're a company as well, because it will help you to build trust with your listeners and your followers, because they can see you, they can hear you, without any cuts. Kind of a podcast, I guess. So do not be afraid to show your face, all right? Or jump into a live stream.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
No, you can't do this, okay? I didn't know how to do it as well, right? So, I never thought I was going to start a podcast, right? And now here I am, right? I don't have the beautiful voice in the world, but, you just face your fears and jump in, because that's important for your brand and your people who see value the things that you are sharing, right? So you can do that on video and you can do that on voice, right? I still have to work on the video, that's true, but at least now you can hear my voice, right? So there is no better way to create eye-catching content that improves your positioning in your listeners' mind, as well as help the news feed algorithm if you are using such social media outlets that has this streaming capability, live stream capability, right? So live video feels bold, and that's why few people do it, because it's a risk, right? But again, it's a calculated risk, because you can, maybe when you started, you're not very confident, but after doing once, twice, 3 times, 30 times, you're going to get somewhere, and you're going to be getting better and better. So very few things seems live these days, and people are afraid to make mistakes, like I said. So they avoid the live stream, but you're going to take a different road. You're going to go for live streams, okay? Live streams, YouTube channels, anything that show how you can, explain something or show your face, go live without BS, right? So that's the real you appearing there, right? Putting your face to the crowd. So as action, think about all your contents you have created so far. Go back, classify them per subject or themes if you wanna, and give some thoughts. Can you transform some of those content in a script or something that you can record a live stream, or can you add all those contents and make 1 hour of a talking, or just or record a video about some topic, right? How about your positioning? Are you comfortable to share your goals and ideas in a live show? Think about that. And consider those possibilities and work on for a near future launch. You don't need to do it this tomorrow, but I start to work today, working on that. And when you feel somehow comfortable enough, then you hit the record button, right? And just go live. That's it. Simple. And not only simple, but also very, very unique and essentials nowadays. Okay? So that's all for today. See you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.